Agriculture is one of the main sectors of the Indonesian economy. Many Indonesian people make agriculture their livelihood. Hilly areas, mountains, and various cold areas where plants are easily grown as a main ingredient in people's food. However, agriculture in Indonesia has various challenges. Farmers who do not understand the various factors of plant growth and the uncertain weather in Indonesia due to drastic climate change. So, Agroclima as a solution for this background of the problems. So here we'll demo this app. We go to login and we have input the password and email, and then here we can input the data of the plant recommendation, and input the temperature and also humidity and the rainfall condition. And here the results of the recommendation. So your application will help the farmers to sell and buying in marketplace also for the growing up of the economy of Indonesia.
So, on this application, of course, we implement machine learning in it. First, we use Google Colab as the platform to make our model, because in Google Colab, we can import out of modules we need without set up anything. Second, we use TensorFlow modules and artificial neural network algorithm to create our crop recommendation model. Last but not least, we make a REST API by using Flash so we can connect input from interface to the modules and send back the recommendation result to the interface.
Here we are from the cloud computing team. We manage our applications in the cloud and backend. To make our app run, we created a web service API using Node.js and Express as the framework. Then we deployed using Google Cloud Platform. In there, we use CloudRun service to generate endpoints that run on the server and CloudBuild as a link between repositories that will be used from GitHub and will be deployed to CloudRun. And we use the Docker file to build our Docker image. To store data and image from user, we store them in the cloud storage service and connect user data, product data, plant recommendation data, and article data in the Cloud SQL service to connect to MySQL.
Okay, in this video, I will do a comparison between our Capstone project application, Agroclima, and a similar service or application TinyLink. As shown in the slide, there are several points of comparison between Agroclima and TinyLink. The first is from the point of attractive UI UX. Agroclima has an attractive UI UX while TinyLink does not. The second is the crop recommendation feature. Agroclima definitely has the crop recommendation feature because it's the main feature of our application, whereas TinyLink does not have it. Third, the agriculture marketplace feature. This feature is owned by both apps. And next, the fourth is the community subscription feature. This feature is also owned by both apps. And next, the fifth, the pest analysis feature. This feature is still in the development stage in the Agroclima application, while the TinyLink application does not have it. The sixth, the fact and feedback feature. This feature is still in the development stage in the Agroclima application, while the TinyLink application does not have it. And finally, the seventh point, the delivery service feature. This feature is owned by both applications. Our project milestones are shown on the slide. In July, we released an application that can only be accessed by internal parties, namely the Bangkit team, project team, and a few other people. In August, we developed a feature that still needed to be developed on the Agroclima application. In October, we started to make improvement to the community feature so that they can be used properly by application user. And yeah, in October the application was officially released and can be used by the public.
The next one is the target market of our application. We primarily target users with three main criteria. The first one is for those who has 17 to 60 years old. The second one who is working as a farmer. And the third one is for those who have specific hobbies, like planting seeds. There are several reasons why our target market needs this solution. For instance, according to a World Bank report, it is mentioned that the presence of the digital technology like this app can improve or enhance the farmer's technical capabilities. Additionally, our application is believed to be beneficial for the government and the related stakeholders as well.
Okay, here I'm Siti Mona Lisa. So here I would like to explain about the budgeting. For the first budgeting one is for 70 million rupiahs. So this is divided into two. For the first is 30% of that is for team salary, and for 100 of that is for research and operational. Divided into buying, returning or soil matter packet, prototyping, infrastructure, learning capacity, survey, and others. Like this slide. And then for the budgeting 2 is for 140 million rupiahs is for additional budget for team salary, for research, for marketing and sales, and for market research and competitive analysis, and for future development or research and development. And the next is from sustainability. So our project is have a sustainability from the sources of income is from sales is 10 million rupiahs, from project is 15 million rupiahs, and from subscription is 5 million rupiahs, and from grants is 20 million rupiahs, and soft loan it is 10 million rupiahs, and rounds of funding is 70 million rupiahs. Okay, for the last, based on the 5,000 or 10,000 budgeting, we expect that from 5,000 funding, we will runway the project in 6 months for 6 peoples of headcount. And for the 10,000 funding, we expect for 12 months runway and 10 peoples of headcount. And for the market positioning is go to agriculture market. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you for your attention and see you.